In this video, we'll be showing you how to export your Archicad project to Artlantis Studio. We have gotten a lot of requests on only this particular video. So right now we want to show you how to export your Archicad project to Artlantis. Now, a lot of people prefer rendering their Archicad project, their Archicad designs on other rendering software. Archicad also renders, but many people prefer rendering the Archicad project in Artlantis Studio, in Enscape, in Lumion, in Twinmotion, in D5 Render, and there are so many of them. So this is one of the ways to export your Archicad project to another rendering software. So right now I'm going to show you how to export your Archicad project to Artlantis Studio. Now, first of all, you must have designed your Archicad project, the walls, the windows, the roofs, and everything must be prepared like that, like this. And you must also have put your landscape, you have put your green areas and the floor area. So you have done all this like you are seeing on your screen. So, and you must put your building or your design in the 3D format, not in the ground floor. It must be in the 3D format, like this. So after you have done that, then you are now ready for export. When exporting from Archicad to rendering software like Artlantis, it must be in 3D format, not in 2D format. It must be like this. Then you click on File, then click on Save As. Once you click on Save As, it will show something like this. This Save 3D dialog box will show. Then the first one is save in. You choose where to save your work. So I'm going to save my work in my document. You can choose any place to save your work, is your choice. Then the next one is your name. You can choose your name of your project. You want to save your name as. So I use Archineers Academy. Then you can still choose what rendering softwares you want to use. So I'm going to choose Artlantis Studio 4.1. Now, right now, I'm actually using Archicad 16 to export to Artlantis Studio. That is why I'm seeing Artlantis Rendering Studio 4.1. Now, in my PC at the moment, I have Artlantis Studio 4, Artlantis Studio 5, Artlantis Studio 2020, and many other Artlantis Studios across other rendering software that I still have. Now, if I'm using a lower version of Archicad, like Archicad 16 or so, they will only show me Artlantis Studio 4. Now, Artlantis Studio 4 is the lower version of Artlantis, but that is not a problem. As far as I can export to Artlantis Studio 4, I can still open it with Artlantis Studio 2020 or whatsoever, since those ones are higher version. But if I'm using a higher version of Archicad, like 24, 25, if I'm to export to Artlantis Studio, it will not show me 4. It will show me a higher version of Artlantis Studio. What do I mean here? You can only export your Archicad project to a lower version of Artlantis Studio if only you use a lower version of Archicad. So you cannot export to a lower version of Artlantis Studio if you are using a higher version of Archicad. So if you are using Artlantis 4 or Artlantis 5, you have to use an Archicad version that is not so high, like Archicad 19 or 20 can export to Artlantis 5. But if you are using a very higher version of Archicad, or rather of Artlantis Studio and of Archicad, you have to also use a higher version of Archicad. So I'll export to Artlantis Studio 4. Now, since I'm using a lower version of Archicad in this video, I can export to Artlantis Studio 4 because that is only what is showing here. And I can still open it with any higher version of Artlantis Studio. Then I will click Save. Then this particular dialog box shows, which is Save Artlantis Studio 4 document. Now click on Export. Then that is it, and it starts exporting my changes. So after it's done exporting, then we'll now go over to the next stage. Now the next stage is just to go to where you save that document. So I save my document. I save this document on that document folder. So I'll click on document folder. So this is document folder. You can see the Artlantis Studio document project here. So this is Artlantis Studio archineeracademy.atl is Artlantis Studio, like ATL file. Then I will now choose, I have 3 versions of Artlantis or more. I think I told you I have Artlantis 4, Artlantis 5, and Artlantis 2020, and also higher versions. Now, if I want to open this file with any version of Artlantis, with a particular version of Artlantis, it is best I go through that version first before opening it. Because if I open it directly from here, I might open it to a version that I don't want to open it with. What do I mean? If you want to open this file with Artlantis Studio 5, I'll just search on Artlantis Studio 5 and I will open it. Right now I've opened Artlantis Studio 5. So it's opening. So after it's done opening, now to open that particular project which I did, I'll have to click on here, open Windows menu, then open, I have to bring in that one I've done, which is under document. So this is it here. I will now open. So right now I've successfully exported, and that is converted my Archicad project into an Artlantis Studio project. So, and it's now showing here. Then you now begin your changes. We have many videos that will show you how to render with Artlantis Studio in this particular YouTube channel. Like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel.